Hello students, now we are starting with part 6 of idioms and phrases, and we are picking up color white. Let us do it fast because you see, got to get it? Got to score? Yes, we have to score something, so we have to study. Come to me, study fast, and here we go. This is, okay, we are doing idioms and phrases, and the first part that I am picking up here is white color. Though I am writing with black, but I am using color white to explain you. The company has a white elephant project that's costing a lot. Okay, सफ़ेद हाथी, white elephant is सफ़ेद हाथी, बहुत रेयर होता है और बहुत एक्सपेंसिव माना जाता है। और एक जब सिर्फ हमारे ऊपर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है, कोई बहुत बड़ा बर्डन बन जाता है, हम कहते हैं ये क्या, हमने एक सफ़ेद हाथी पाल लिया। बिकॉज you know, maintaining an elephant is a very tedious thing, it's a very cumbersome thing, it is very expensive. Okay, so it is a major burden on you if you you know, have to take care of an elephant. So when something seems as a big burden on you, or anything that becomes a challenge for you, anything which you feel is going to get you good business but on the contrary it's not at all profitable for you, then you say, oh, it's a white elephant, कि मैंने क्या ये मुसीबत पाल ली, क्या मैंने ये बर्डन अपने ऊपर ले लिया है। इट इज़ वेरी बर्डनसम। सो किसी भी चीज़ को जब आप, बहुत बड़ा बर्डन होता है जिसको आप अपने यू कांट जस्ट गेट ओवर विद इट, उसको अपने आप उससे पीछा भी नहीं छुड़ा सकते हो, और वो आपके चीज़ गले पड़ गई है, उसको हम वाइट एलिफेंट बोलते हैं। द कंपनी हैज़ अ वाइट एलिफेंट प्रोजेक्ट। सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? एक्सपेंसिव, वन, cumbersome, burdensome. Okay, so is it a good thing? No, it's a negative sentence. Okay, so it is not at all successful, it is not at all profitable. You thought that it's going to be profitable with the intention of getting some benefit out of it. You try to do something, but on the contrary it backfires on you. So it is not at all profitable, on the contrary it is very damaging for you, it's burdensome for you. So it's a white elephant. Innovative, creative, no, it is a negative sentence, it is a negative phrase, white elephant. Let us move to the next one. She is a white collar worker in a big firm. You see, when we did idiom of color blue, I did with you a blue collar worker, that is for the labor class, and at that point of time only I had explained you the difference between white collar and blue collar. White collar is for executives, frontliners, okay, frontliners, bureaucrats, CEOs, and you know, the upper strata, upper cadre of any office, those employees are called white collared people. Okay, so is it a manual labor? Not at all. It is a office worker, cannot say. Okay, seems like, but office worker can be a laborer also, so we can't say office worker. Manager, no, it is about executives. Okay, the cream de la cream when we talk about. Now the next one that we go to is, the deal was done white hat style. What style? White hat. White is a symbol of purity. Okay, white is a symbol of morals. Okay, morals. Okay, and white is a symbol of ethics and values. So anything that is done keeping ethics and values in mind, or anything that is done ethically, is white hat style. Okay, so when this deal was done, to maintain complete transparency, one was very ethical. Okay, now dishonest, it is the opposite. Ethical seems quick, it has nothing to do with the you know, white hat thing. Slow, nothing. Okay, the answer is ethical. Now he is trying to whitewash the issue. Now what do? Whitewash. Don't you whitewash the walls? Why do you whitewash the walls? Walls have become, you know, patchy, its dampness is there, it's become discolored, some, you know, some children have scribbled something on the wall. So what do you do? Just to conceal everything, to hide those patches and to give it a smooth look again, a new look, that you do is whitewash. Okay, so when you're trying to hide something, you're trying to conceal something, when you're trying to camouflage something, then that is called whitewash. कोई सच को छुपाना, कुछ झूठ को छुपाना, किसी बात को छुपाना, किसी चीज को कवर अप करना, उसको व्हाइट वॉश बोला जाता है. सो हाईलाइट तो होता है एक्सपोज करना, ऑपोजिट है ये. हाईलाइट मीन्स एक्सपोज, सो इट इज द opposite, it's not the synonym, rather it's the opposite. Next one is conceal. As I told you, conceal means to hide something, kuch chupana. Solve and discuss are not at all relevant, so your answer is he is trying to whitewash the issue. Whitewash is conceal the issue, hide the issue, evade the issue. Okay, so that is what is the answer here. Now we are doing the last one. Okay, it is a white lie, but it will avoid hurting her feelings. White lie is complete lie, no truth in it, there is no truth involved in it, so it is a small harmless lie. Big truth, important fact, और harmful lie, harmless lie. कई बच्चे छोटी छोटी बातों में झूठ बोलते हैं, उसमें कोई नुकसान किसी का नहीं हो रहा, बट दे हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ टेलिंग अ लाई, सो इट इज अ स्मॉल हार्मलेस लाई. और ये हार्मलेस भी इसलिए हम समझ सकते हैं क्योंकि इसमें लिखा है व्हाइट लाई बट इट विल अवॉइड हर्टिंग. सो जो हर्ट ही नहीं कर रहा तो फिर वो हार्मफुल कैसे हो सकता है. Okay, so this is what we have done, the white one, and very soon I am coming in another 5 minutes back with you for color black. Wait and watch.